How to insert division line in Google Docs. So let's start with the video, guys. I'm going to show you the easiest way how you can to add the fraction number, or fraction number, you can say how you can put the division line between the two numbers. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. You can see I'm on my Google Docs page. So simply we need to go in insert first, and we need to go in equations, and after first you need to put the cursor where you want the fraction, or division line between two. So go to the insert, go to the equations. Now here this will be visible to you. Then go to this math operations and click on this first option, fraction. Okay, now put your top numbers. Now you need to click the forward arrow on your keyboards. Then it will be take you in bottom. Just write your number and just click on it. Okay, so this fraction has been done. So that is how you can put the division line on Google Docs. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.